If you're thinking about signing up for Disney Plus, there is a subscription deal available right now that is definitely worth checking out. Head over to disneyplus.com. You can find my affiliate link in the description below. Using it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and takes you directly to the official Disney Plus website. Once you're there, head to the plan section and look for the Disney Plus and Hulu bundle. Right now, Disney is offering eligible US subscribers a 6-month option that brings the cost of the ad-supported Disney Plus and Hulu bundle down to $11.99 per month. You pay $71.94 for the first 6 months, which Disney says saves you 50% compared with purchasing Disney Plus and Hulu separately. If you don't want ads during your on-demand movies and series, there's also a premium version of the deal. The Disney Plus and Hulu bundle premium costs $107.94 for the first 6 months, which works out to $17.99 per month. Disney advertises this as a 52% savings compared with purchasing the services separately. Keep in mind that even in the premium bundle, live content can include ads. After the first 6 months, the regular Disney Plus and Hulu bundle renews at $12.99 per month, while the premium bundle renews at $19.99 per month unless you cancel. To sign up, choose the bundle you want and select the 6-month option. From there, create your MyDisney account or sign in if you already have one. Enter your email and password, continue to check out, review your subscription, enter your payment information, and complete your purchase. Once your subscription is active, you can start streaming. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to support the channel, the best way is by using my affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.